Hello everyone, in today's video we'll explore conditional statements in Python. Conditional statements are a way to make decisions in your code by checking whether a condition is true or false. We'll go step by step, starting with the syntax, followed by examples. The three main types of conditional statements are if, elif, and else. Let's take a closer look at the syntax of conditional statements in Python. Syntax of an if statement: if followed by condition, then the code block. The if keyword is followed by a condition. A colon is placed at the end of the condition. The indented block of code under the if statement is executed only if the condition is true. Adding elif and else. Here elif stands for else if and is used to check another condition if the first one is false. Else is used as a fallback and will run only if all previous conditions are false. The indentation in Python is very important. All the code blocks under if, elif and else must be indented. Let's use the syntax we just learned to create a simple program that checks whether a number is positive, negative or 0. First, the program checks if number is greater than 0. If this is true, it prints the number is positive and skips the rest of the conditions. If number greater than 0 is false, it moves to the elif number less than 0. If this condition is true, it prints the number is negative. Finally, if none of the above conditions are true, the else block runs and prints the number is 0. Now that we have covered the basics, let's look at combining conditions using logical operators like and, or, and not. Logical operators like and returns true if both conditions are true, or returns true if at least one condition is true. Not is the reverse. Not reverses the condition. True becomes false and false becomes true using and. In this example, the program checks if number is greater than 10 and number is less than 20. Both conditions must be true for the message to print. Using or, here the program checks if a condition is true. If the number is less than 10 or greater than 100, the program prints the first message. Using not, the not operator reverses the condition. If the number is not 50, the program prints the number is not 50. We can also place one if statement inside another. This is called nested conditional. In this example, we first check if the number is positive. If it is, we then check if it is greater than 50. Each condition is checked in sequence and the appropriate message is printed. Finally, let's look at a more compact way of writing conditional statements, the ternary conditional expression. Syntax: value if true, if condition, then else, value if false. Example: this is a one-liner for simple if-else logic. If the condition number modulus 2 is equal to 0 is true, it assigns even to the variable result, otherwise it assigns odd. To summarize, we covered the syntax and usage of if, elif and else statements, logical operators, nested conditions and the ternary conditional expressions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share. Leave any questions or feedback in the comments below and I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.